Hi, today I'm going to show you how to import a new support entitlement, as well as how to upgrade the firmware on your RUCKUS ZoneDirector. Just a quick note before we begin, I will be starting with the support entitlement because of the fact that you may not be able to upgrade the firmware without a new support entitlement first. Unfortunately, that's just the way the ZoneDirector works. Make sure you have downloaded your new support entitlement. This should be a file that has an extension of .spt. Next, go to your ZoneDirector and log in. Then, go to the Administer tab. Then go down to the part that says Support. Click on that tab. You should now see a section that says Support Services. Import a new entitlement file. Click the Choose File button. Then, select the new support entitlement file that you have downloaded, and click the Upload button. You should then see a button that says Renew Entitlement. Click that. Click OK when prompted. You should now see that the support service has been updated. In my case, because this is a temporary support entitlement, I have 1 day left. You will not see this warning if your new support entitlement has a longer duration. First begin by going to support.ruckuswireless.com in your browser and then logging in. I'm already logged in, but normally the login button will be right here where you see my login information. Once you've logged in, then use their search bar to search for whichever ZoneDirector that you have. In my case, this is the ZoneDirector 1200. Once you've searched, scroll down until you see the link that says Products. If you click on that link, it should take you to a page that looks like this. In this case, the ZoneDirector 1200 is EOL, so it has this little marker here, but you can generally just ignore that. If you scroll down to the Download section, you will see this tab, and you can click on the Downloads tab, and also filter by version. The version of the firmware that you want to install largely depends on the APs that you would like to use. In my case, I am trying to support ZoneFlex 7372 APs, and the latest version that supports that is 10.1. However, I want to upgrade to 9.13 first. I can then filter by version 9.13 by clicking here. This will take me to all of the 9.13 versions. If you click on any of these software releases, you will see this page. Note that you should probably read the release notes before upgrading to a version. This is important because if you scroll down to the area that says upgrading to this version, there are specifically supported upgrade paths, which means that you should upgrade to one of these versions first before upgrading to the desired version. In my case, I am currently running 9.9.0.0, which is actually not one of the supported upgrade paths, so I will be upgrading to the latest supported upgrade path, which is 9.10.0.0.218. If we go back to the Downloads area, I can then sort by 9.10 and scroll down to the bottom, where I will see the software release for 9.10.0.0.218. I can then download this release by clicking on this link, clicking Download Software, then clicking I understand and agree, and clicking the download button. Note that you may need to upgrade multiple times depending on how old the firmware that you currently have installed is. Once you've downloaded the software, you're going to want to navigate to the Administer and Upgrade tab in your ZoneDirector and upload the new image. Note that this may take a while. Once the upload finishes, you should then accept the download of the backup and then click the upgrade button to finish the upgrade. This may take a while, so grab a drink, sit back, and relax. Once the upgrade is complete, log back into the ZoneDirector using your credentials. Once you do that, navigate to the Administer and Upgrade tab. Here you should now see under the Current Software section that your software version is now whatever you just upgraded it to. From here, you can obviously continue to upgrade it until you reach the desired version. Alrighty, well, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed. If you do have any questions or comments, leave me a comment down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!